How to create professional looking social media content with Canva. There's a whole lot of content that you can actually create with Canva, especially if you want to be a social media manager, you want to manage your business social media page, or you want to run a social media agency, you want to manage other people's agency and get them to pay you. This video is for you. So the first thing you may want to do is to head over to your web browser. Go to canva.com. It's already typed out for me. Go to canva.com. If you have an account, you can log in here. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for free. I've clicked the sign up button and you can see the different options that you can use to sign up. You can use an email. You can continue with email, Google email, to have it signed up. Okay, so here you basically have to enter your email address and then enter your password. Go to your email address to confirm your account. Basic stuff. So once you're done with that, the next thing you will need to do is to log into your account. And so here we are on the home page of Canva. And you can see right here, there's a whole lot of templates that is well spelled out for you. If you look at the top of the page, you'll find social media, there are videos, there are presentation templates, there are documents. If I scroll a little bit, you can see whiteboards, and you can actually use Canva to create a website as well. And then when you click on this more button, it shows you additional things, infographics that you can actually create with Canva. But for this video, we're basically going to focus on creating social media content with Canva. So we're basically going to come here at the top and then type, we're going to type food Instagram post. It's right here. And so when you do that, it's going to open food Instagram post. A whole bunch of templates are here, so you can scroll down until you find something that is appealing to you. Always remember to keep it simple. Let's scroll down a little bit more so you can find something that you really like. Okay, let's click on this one. Okay, and once it opens, you can see this is really simple but very nice. Always remember to keep it simple. And so here you can change the logo, delete, select this, and then you delete it. If the image is not exactly what you want, you can also replace it. You can see the replace button at the bottom side of the screen. You can see that, and you can change the image to exactly the type of food, the item you want to display. When you click on this plus sign on the bottom right corner, you will be able to scroll to upload, and then you can easily upload your image from your device or from social media or your Google account. So once that is done, you are good to go, and you can make few changes, add your phone number and any other information. Let's quickly look at another social media post that we can find. You click on the plus sign, scroll to designs, and then let's look at real estate. We can look for real estate templates, and here we have a whole bunch of real estate templates that you can choose from. Anyone that appeals to you or that you think represents your brand properly, you can go for that. Always remember to keep it simple. So let's go ahead and select this one. I think this is beautiful. We can select this one, and if the image, the house picture is not exactly what you want, you can change it by clicking on it. You can see the replace button here. You can easily replace it by navigating to your storage to find the right image. All right. And so the contact information is also something you will want to change to your own contact information. The caption, you can change that, and you can also look at the logo, and every single one of these items can be changed. You can change the color of any of these elements that you have on the post. You can see here, I click on this shape, and you can see I can change the color to green. You can scroll down to find a little bit more colors. Okay, you can change it. You can have gradient, or you want to keep it simple, you can change it to yellow. Let's make it yellow. And so you can change the contact number to 90. Okay, let's make it 089046. Okay, so you see that's all you need to do, and you have a fantastic template that you can easily just post on your social media platform, and it will look really professional. So you definitely don't need to pay anybody to design this content for you. With Canva, you can get this thing done in a professional way. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification, as we'll be dropping more videos for you.